long time. It was very unintended, but just a matter of busyness that I ended up just stopped filming for a while. It started basically just in December when I was stressed out about getting some videos ready, plus having to do Christmas shopping, plus I started to get really busy at work. And the easiest way to alleviate that stress was to pull one of those items out. So since I couldn't not Christmas shop or could not work, I had to quit filming for a little while. And even though it's well past the holidays now, work has persisted in being very busy. So I had just kind of taken a whole YouTube hiatus, not really doing a good job of keeping up watching anybody's videos or commenting, and just kind of unplugged from it all, which was actually kind of nice to unplug for a little bit, because I find myself in this YouTube world and constantly thinking about videos and filming and things like that, and it was nice to kind of like mentally shut that off for a little while and just put my phone down. But I'm back in it now, so thank you guys so much for sticking around. Thank you to everybody who reached out to me to check in. I really appreciate that. I appreciate people's concern, and the fact that anybody even noticed that I wasn't filming means a lot to me. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, just because the timing of some of these videos may seem a little bit confusing, I filmed a few of these videos back in December, or I at least started them in December, and some of them didn't finish until after Christmas, and the timing's a little bit all over the place. So if I'm talking about Christmas and holiday parties, just know that some of this was filmed mid-December or before Christmas, so hopefully that's not too confusing. But I did film it and did want to get it out there. I hate to throw that footage away, so I apologize for everything being so late, but I'm getting back on the wagon and churning out videos here, hopefully. Usually I post every couple of days, so hopefully I'll be sticking with that schedule going forward. And without further ado, here comes my Stitch Fix video. Boom! Hey guys, happy Stitch Fix Day. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen, and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from styling services to shopping hauls and styling services. I like to try a wide array of styling services, so if this sounds good to you, then please subscribe below. For returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back. I appreciate your support more than I can tell you, and I appreciate all your comments, and let's get into it. Today I have a Stitch Fix. Love Stitch Fix, always have. It was very first styling service I started with. It was a styling service to start my downward descent of spending too much money on clothes. So, but that's alright. Anyways, if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, they are a styling service where they send you 5 clothing items. You keep what you like, send back what you don't like, and they only charge you what you keep. There's a $20 styling fee that they apply to anything you purchase, as long as you're able to get the styling pass, which is $49 a year, and again that gets applied to anything you purchase. I think I used up that my styling pass fee on my very first box. You have 3 days to decide what to keep, and I think that's it. They provide you with a mailer to send back what you don't want to keep. Mine's USPS, so I just stick it in the old mailbox. And they do provide you with styling notes and a price sheet. I'll go over the styling notes after I pull out everything, but first I want to see what I have, and then I'll do prices at the end. And let's get into the beloved bundle. Oh, I just ruined my bundle. Alright, well, you know what? You guys don't get to see a bundle today, and I'm sorry about that. Sometimes things happen, and stuff just slid out. Alright. Ooh. Guys, I just saw a jacket. Alright, let's get into this. It's still sliding around, and I blame the jacket for that. Starting at the top, from Pink Clover, we have a olive-colored sweater with a you can't see that because of the tag. This crisscross front here. The sweater is very soft, likes a lot. I think it has a nice fitted sleeve on it. I have a fuzzy I need to remove. And I had a similar crisscross, I think maybe my last box, that in a black sweater. And the V-neck was actually very low on that one. I don't think that's going to be an issue on this one. So, really like this. And then it's got the beloved side splits here. So, definite contender. Well, I've got a lot of green. Oh, I think she's figured out that I like green because that's what this box is. It's a lot of green stuff. Okay, now we have a green dress here. I had asked for a 3/4 or long sleeve green dress for my holiday work party, which would have worked if my box had come a day early like it usually does, but instead it came several days late thanks to the post office. So it did not come in time for my holiday work party, but this is a pretty dress. This is like a shift dress, so very flowy, and it does have the crisscross front. What is this? 9 Britain does have the crisscross front here on it. Looks like it's a 3/4 sleeve. So this looks like a very cute dress, so can't wait to get this on. Next up, we have this polka dot. I don't know what this is, but it's polka dot and I like it. Oh, it's another dress. Okay, this is by Calais, and it is a 3/4 sleeve again. It is polka dot. I really like polka dots, by the way. It does have lining down the torso, just not on the sleeves. It's like a dark green, almost a dark brown, but it is green, I think. Looks black in the camera, but trust me, it's a dark olive, trust me. With some cream colored polka dots. It looks like it is a little bit of a flare out type dress. Oh, I'm gonna like this. I can tell you guys I'm gonna like this. All right, so far so good. All right, now we've got this beautiful beast from Mark, New York. We have this jacket, beautiful faux leather jacket. It is a moto style, and I will see if it fits. If it's like most jackets, it's going to be too big, but we shall see when we get it on. I might get lucky. And then we have here from, oh, this is a Stitch Fix exclusive, Tribal. We have a navy, a dark navy, and probably all this stuff probably looks black in the camera, but dark navy dress pant and just a skinny leg dress pant. I think I've got a pair of Tribal, and they were pretty fantastic, although the Tribal I have has like this control tummy thing in it, which is super nice. I feel so secure and tucked in and fabulous. Oh, it does have like a flat knit thing. This has like a million tags on it. One of it just says flat knit. Okay, so I really liked my other Tribal pants and they were really affordable, so hopefully these will be affordable as well. Alright, let's go ahead and try this stuff on. Okay, first up we have this dress. I love the color of the dress. The silhouette is very flowy, which makes it very comfortable. It does have pockets. I like the 3/4 sleeves. The color of the dress is great. So I do really like this dress. I'm not sure how much I love the silhouette being more of like a, I guess, a shift dress. I've always kind of been on the fence when it comes to shift dresses, because it's like, do you look like a sack of potatoes in it, because it doesn't have a lot of silhouette to it. I actually do like this one quite a bit, so I'd love to hear people's opinions on it. So that's dress number one. Let's get on the next dress. Okay guys, I do really like this dress. Again, I really like the 3/4 sleeves on it. I think the polka dots are a lot of fun. This is more like an A-line silhouette dress, and it's thicker, it's a sweater. It is fully lined on the bodice all the way down, so I do appreciate that. And I feel like that's an added layer of warmth. And I just think it's really cute. So this one is a definite contender to keep. I think right now, as I'm thinking through the two dresses, I think this one I like better than the dress I just tried on. But we'll see how the rest of the box fixes, so let's go to that. Okay, so I threw the last three pieces on together for the sake of getting through this try-on in a timely fashion. The jacket I think is cute, but the sleeves are too long. I like the kind of the angled zip on it, but then I didn't know if I like it
all that much zipped up. Let's try this. So there it is with the half zip. I guess I like that. I don't know. This one doesn't lay as well as some of the other jackets I've tried, and there's no buttons to button it here, so I feel like this flap is just kind of, it's just kind of out there a little bit. So I like it. I don't love it, so that's not worth keeping, obviously. Let's take this off so you guys can see. The sweater is cute. It fits pretty well. Sleeves are slightly long, but not too bad. This is a lot less baggy than a lot of other sweaters I've tried, so this actually feels like it's fitting pretty well. I like the cross front detail, and the last one I tried that was cross front from Stitch Fix went way down too far. So this one actually has a pretty good neckline, so you can see that. So I really like this. I think whether or not I keep this will just depend on how much money I'm already spending in the box. Last up, I have the dress pants. Yay! Okay, so guys, I already have a pair that I got from Stitch Fix with this brand, and I love them. I love how they fit. They do have a little bit of tummy control up here. They fit well. They're not too snug. They're just a really cute dress pant. I think these are navy. Yeah, so I don't have any pants this length that are navy, so I'm interested in that. And they are a great length, as you can see. So, gosh, I really like this box. Everything but the jacket I actually really like. But I'm not doing a 5 for 5, guys. It's probably going to take me forever to post this video, so it's not going to be until after Christmas that I post it. But let me tell you, it's before Christmas right now, and I'm still shopping. I'm spending a lot of money. So, I will not do a 5 for 5. But I kind of want to. So anyways, alright, let's go over prices and do recap next. Alright, guys, so let's go ahead and go over, I don't know why I keep doing this. Let's go ahead and go over prices and the stylist note, which I meant to read to you guys before I did the try on, but alas, I forgot. So let's read it first. So this is from my stylist, Nikki. I've had her for the last several fixes and I really love her. So she says, your December fix has arrived, Jennifer. Again, I've taken forever to film this video and get it out. It's just, the holidays have been busy. So how did the holiday season get here so fast? If you've been super busy in all the bustle, this fix will give you a chance to take a breath and give yourself a little pick-me-up. Since you mentioned that you were looking for a 3/4 sleeve or long sleeve dress for your Christmas work party, I chose the 9 Britain brush knit dress and the Cali polka dot hacky knit dress for you to try out. Dress up either with more jewelry, heels, and or a clutch. The pink clover bay cross front detail pullover is an item you requested for your last fix. These navy tribal straight leg trousers will be great for the workwear this season. I spotted a brown moto jacket on your Pinterest board that remind me of the one from Mark, New York. Have fun unwrapping this fix, Jennifer. XOXO Nikki. Okay. She's always great about going out to my Pinterest and finding stuff, and I appreciate that. All right, now the prices. First off, we have the Mark, New York. This is a Brecklin faux leather moto jacket, and it is $98. It does not fit, so I will not be keeping that. Then we have, this is the Calais Tiffany hacky knit dress, and it is $58. I really like this dress. It's warm, nice sweater dress, 3/4 sleeves. I like polka dots, I like the color. There's a good chance I'm keeping this one. All right, next up we have the tribal via straight trouser in navy, and this is $58. Again, I love my other pair of tribal pants, which are in a green, and I would really like these. So I think I'm going to keep those. Then we have the 9 Britain Selena brush knit dress, and this is $48. I like this. I love the price, but I don't know that I'd be super excited to pull it out of my closet and wear it. It's like, I like it, but I don't know that I love it enough to keep it. So I think that answers that for me. I will not be keeping that. And then we have the pink clover bay cross front detail pullover, and this is $44. It's nice to get a sweater that's somewhat affordable. But I've struggled with this one. One, because I don't want to buy 3 things out of my box. It's just out of my budget for the holiday season. And then the other is that I'm really looking for sweaters I can wear to work, and I really don't, I'm struggling with wearing an olive color sweater because I don't really have a good pair of pants to wear these with. All my pants are mostly like black, gray, navy, and I don't really like the green with them so much. So that's the only thing. If this were in a different color, a black, a red, anything like that, then I would snatch this up. I'm just not loving the green color for wearing to work. But it is affordable, being $44. Okay, no, I don't need this. I'm not gonna keep it. I think my 2 keepers are the polka dot dress and the navy trousers. Jen, stick with that. Stop spending so much money. That should be my New Year's resolution. No, seriously, I think my plan is if I'm gonna continue on with these videos, I really need to start actually being better about setting a budget and sticking to it. I really, to be honest, I have not tracked how much I'm spending each month on this. I'm just kind of going with it, and that's obviously not ideal. I'm spending way too much, so I want to scale it back, keep better track of it, you know, set budget for months. So in my videos at the end of the month, I might be sending back a whole lot more because I'm, you know, reaching my budget. But anyways, all right, well, I guess that's it. This was another great fix. I do love Stitch Fix so much. Such a great box to get. And thank you to my stylist, Nikki. You did amazing as always. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed, then please subscribe below. Also, I forgot to mention my referral code that if you are interested in trying Stitch Fix yourself, you get $25 off your first box if you use my referral code below. So that'd be cool. And if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.